Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Josephine, or just welcome. And today I'm going to be making a sweet, sticky tofu and aubergine dish that is Asian inspired, and I'll be serving over rice. It's a really easy dish to make, super simple ingredients, packs a lot of flavour, and I can't wait to make it for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get started. For the ingredients, it's quite simple. You're going to need some ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, some aubergine, some firm pressed tofu and a spring onion, as well as about a spoonful of chili flakes, some sugar, some cornstarch to make a cornstarch slurry, some soy sauce, pepper, salt, rice vinegar and sesame oil. So, let me know if you try this dish, and it's absolutely delicious and the perfect dinner for today. So, thank you for watching, good luck, and I'll see you. Bye.